How to fix Instagram not working on Wi-Fi? Follow these steps. First, let's make sure your internet is fast enough. Open the Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type speed test and search for it. Here select the first search result and check your internet speed. If your speed is below 5 Mbps, Instagram might struggle to load properly. If your speed is fine but Instagram is still not loading, your Wi-Fi might be the problem. Try switching to mobile data. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick setting. Furthermore, click on the Wi-Fi icon to turn it off. Then enable the mobile data. If it is not still working, maybe Instagram itself is down. Let's check. Again, open the Google Chrome and search "Is Instagram down?" Moreover, click on the down detector or similar website. If you see a big spikes in the report, Instagram server might be experiencing the issue. Just wait for their team to fix it. Finally, with this method, you can fix Instagram not working on Wi-Fi.